The Malaysian Timber Council, MTC, organised a Ceramah Bicara Konsep MADANI on 14 October 2025 at its headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. The session was organised to help staff better understand the MADANI framework introduced by Yang Amat Berhormat Prime Minister Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim, which highlights the importance of good governance, shared values and national unity. The talk was delivered by Mr. Muhamad Muhaimi bin Yahaya, Assistant Secretary, Rubber Industry Development Division GET, Ministry of Plantation and Commodities KPK, where he elaborated on the 6 core values of MADANI: sustainability, prosperity, innovation, respect, trust and compassion. In her opening remarks, MTC Chief Executive Officer, Madam Noraihan Abdul Rahman shared that the session served as a meaningful reminder for staff to embrace and apply the MADANI values in their daily work. She emphasized that by upholding these principles, MTC contributes not only to the nation's economic progress, but also to its growth with integrity, mindfulness and unity. The session served as a reminder that good governance and shared values are essential to building a strong and inclusive Malaysia.